everybody, Asong Filipina here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna unbox the stuff that I purchased in SM. It's not Christmas yet, but I have my presents for myself. So let's open first this one or this one. Well, anyway, this one first. Worked out here at Treadmill for a while and then just about 30 minutes workout here, and then that's why I'm wearing this outfit. But since I have this shopping, so I'm gonna show you what I shop. First, this one is for going out, and I'm gonna show you 1 and 2. So I will just fit this in front of you guys. This is a tops because I have some pants and then I need some tops. So okay. SM Shore Store, the name of the store, but this is not a sponsored video. So this is it, guys. Oh la la. So next is we're gonna fit this blouse. With this, so I keep this on with me, this t-shirt, because we have to unbox one plastic bag. So, okay, what's inside the box is, so instead of this one, especially I put everywhere my cell phone, so I hardly find my phone where it is because usually it's dark here in the house. So I have this cover, and this one, I love the cover of this cell phone. It's only 300 pesos, and of course this is not a sponsored video, I'm just showing you guys. And this is 300 because when you buy cheaper cover, it damages the paint of your cell phone. Like at the back of the cell phone, sometimes it gives scratches. Like you notice when you use a cheap cover and the scratch of the back of your phone is a lot of spots. It's because of the cover. So this one is only 300. I like this one because it's easy to find. And this cell phone is a gift from one of my subscribers. So thank you so much, friend. So I have this one, and I'm gonna use usually for my full video when I do vlogging. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for the last one. So this one is about 4,000 pesos. So it's a gift for myself. But well, my subscribers will pay back for this one. So let's gonna open this one, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So I have these shoes. The reason I like these shoes is because of the thickness, because they have usually flat before and they have new stocks now. So I purchased this one for about 4,000 pesos. NSM Bacolod City. So after this one, we're gonna also fit these shoes on. So let's see how it looks like, and we're gonna try this one in the treadmill. So okay, let's get started. I do some shopping here at SM Mall. So I purchased one pair of Nike, my income. So my husband did not know. I will just come here. Here's the shoes and I'm paying it now. So another gift for myself. I purchased a pair of Nike shoes for me. So I'm here at SM Mall.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.